กรนกับละสะกุดเห็นริ้วสนำต่ำมันเป็นกันเรียเอกบริวในแถมÏewmawlongกสอดการเจลาหากชิพาวตริกอุนายลาดอาร์จาอาร์พุสาวลิงบ่าวบาสเนียวพลังดาร์อุสมบวดเมนทรีรังบ้าบดีเป็ดอยากตนัด Urban Affairs กลับเป็นเจ็บบักันไอปอดขัดสั้นสงีอยากกินหุ่นกับบะมีขมัดอยากลองเยียงในแถมÏewmawlongบัดบักินเนี่ยเป็นเบ็ดชัวมันอันเป็นกันเรียเอกีชักจากาไปยังกับ Office Shillong Municipal Board มันตากันนี้ก็จึงเป็นเจ็บอุบาสเนียวพลังกละล่องหาเดียนก็จึงยังลังบัดกับฮาริจานปัญชัยคอมมิตี้หากจึงดันลังจากดีปซิงค์ลอน General Secretary ซีกุรดวารา Management Committee New Delhi นลอร์กิเวปัดหากเกรนชิกิลาดปะทายคุบวาร์อุจากดีปซิงอุลองบักจึงยังลังก็ลองกับบัสเซย์สวะเฮนเรย์กิดังดันปัดกิจดันกำกิบานักเลี้ยงกับ Delhi ซีกุรดวารา Management กินนังหับเป็นเบ็ดบัดกิลาปานปอร์สกุมบาขัดสั้นสงีบันเป็นเด็บยาบารอกิจิงดันกำ
Today again we had a fruitful meeting and still certain issues are yet to be addressed which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days then we will convey the final decision and then only the things will be finalized.
What are the main issues that you still have to discuss?
See that I can't disclose right now but yes there are certain issues which we need to discuss.
บาสเนียวพลังดาร์อุลองบักเดลฮีซีกุรดวารา Management Committee New Delhi กลับปานปอร์สกัดสั้นสงีบันเป็นเบ็ดอีกจินดันกำจังกาบัดกุมบากระเป๋ากับ Committee กลับเรียงสงบฮารุอีก Blueprint กับบักสอดการเจลากลับเป็นเคระนักบันทาจังกี
So actually I would like to inform today we are a very positive and fruitful meetings with the Harijan Committee and yes there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organizations as HPC and we from the government side we are agree we give them 15 days more time and there will be no more discussion before that and within 15 days they will give a final decision they will communicate the government so as of today meeting is a very positive thing I would like to inform you yes this session may be the last today we should be the last today but since there is few issues so the issue is very simple they want to take everyone on board. So they request the government kindly give us at least 15 days from today's itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this SGPT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very hopeful it should be a positive decision.
Sir, what are the points that government has raised? What are the offers that government has given?
No, the offer you know very well because we haven't made any offer. We want them to say yes or no first for relocations because everything blueprint is there.
But they have not said yes till now for the relocation.
They need some more issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days you will be getting a final decision from them.
Are they happy with the blueprint?
Yes, they are very much happy. Very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint. No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they will please give us. We need some few higher organization, the Punjabi thing only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today.
So the next meeting will be.
No more. They may communicate it. Only as there is a meeting, no problem. We can have meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days, will be finalized everything.
Means within August only we.
Just count from 15 days, what? Maybe 26, 27 only. That is the date, I think. But a very positive meeting. We are very pleased to inform you. You see, like this, the discussion between the government and the Harijan Committee only. There will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan Committee and the government itself. It's totally is their responsibility fully.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya